Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG Drive on iOS. Unfortunately, BeamNG Drive is a highly realistic physics simulation game developed exclusively for Windows personal computers. This means there is no official version of the game available for any iOS device, including iPhones or iPads. The game's complex physics engine requires significant processing power that mobile operating systems simply do not possess. While you cannot install BeamNG Drive directly onto your iOS device, cloud gaming offers a potential workaround. Services like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream PC games to your iPhone or iPad. However, this requires a very strong and stable internet connection, ideally over 5G or a fast Wi-Fi network, to ensure a smooth experience with minimal lag. You also usually need to own the game on a compatible PC platform. The primary reason BeamNG Drive isn't on iOS is due to its demanding technical requirements. The game's soft-body physics engine, which simulates vehicle damage in real time, requires significant processing power from both the CPU and GPU. Mobile chipsets, while powerful for their size, are not currently designed to handle this level of complex, real-time simulation. A native iOS version would necessitate a complete and costly redesign of the game. To summarize, there is no direct way to get BeamNG Drive on your iOS device. Your best bet for playing it on an iPhone or iPad is through a cloud gaming service, provided you have excellent internet and own the game. For a similar experience on mobile, consider games like Car Crash Simulator or Wreckfast Mobile, which offer realistic driving and damage physics. And speaking of reading anywhere, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.